beef sticks, and our favorite brand is
Chomps.
They're very accessible and they travel really well, but we don't just eat one. That's important.
Well, of course. I mean, what's great about these, as well as other types of beef sticks that you'll find, and listen, even on the worst of car trips, where you're traveling through those states where there's really nothing but a gas station, you'll at least find Slim Jims. And even though it is not the highest quality, the cleanest source, it's still better than a Snickers bar. But usually these are about 8 to 9 grams per stick, so we will typically have at least 3 of those, if not 4. And what's great is that it's not super filling, so you're not eating it and then feeling like, oh, there's no way I'll be able to eat lunch later on or eat dinner later on tonight. So that's usually one of our top choices and go-tos.